Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I hope you had a nice week. I am the Pound Trader making a forecast for Monday, the 15th of April 2024. So starting over with the weekly time frame. Now guys, I am a happy girl now because finally we have a breakout from this range. Now, if you followed my channel, then you know that I was really hoping that we could just, break below this consolidation. It was such a tricky time for me to get any trades, especially because I trade one currency pair. And now that we have a breakout, this is honestly looking good. And now I can start being hopeful for the future trades. You can see that last week we closed with a bearish candle. A strong bearish candle. There was some news on Friday that I believe caused this. And yeah, I'm just really happy now. So as a technical trader, that is. So going over to the daily time frame now, here we can see now the candles more clearly, more bearish candles. I think now it's time for me to let go of this range zone that I had for since when? Almost since January. If you've been watching my videos since January, then you know I had this almost red zones here and I hadn't removed them. But I guess now it is time to let them go because we are out of the range, and I think I'm going to maybe add another level over here because I can see that we do have another zone around there. And yeah, I guess that's it. This is too many lines as well, but I'll just keep this one here for now. Now I've placed this zone over here because it's a good zone. I think price might retest before maybe going down. My projection is maybe that we will continue shorting maybe up to this range over here and then even lower because I think that the pound is going to continue dropping. So yeah, that's my forecast for the daily time frame. Going over to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so the 4-hour time frame, so we can see here that last week we now had the steep sells, and I think that now we might maybe retest before maybe going up to this zone and then go down. Now, this zone is also quite nice for me because I have noticed that it is a Fibonacci level. So just taking my fib level here, it is at the 38.2, which is fairly good. Maybe if it does want to retrace up, maybe to the 50 or to the 60, but I like this level so far, yeah? And even on the daily, I think it makes sense as well. Maybe price to retest up to that zone and then go down. So yeah. Okay, so now going over to the 1-hour time frame. Yes, so still now just the retracement that I'm looking for. Normally I have this like section over here because this just shows me what happened during the past week, and we can see that this was the other previous week's low, and now we broke below it. So now I'm just going to move it so that I can see how next week reacts within this range. And this is Monday again to Friday. So yeah, maybe for the 1-hour time frame, what I'd like to see is maybe a double bottom, something like that, maybe for a retracement up, just a small retracement, and then maybe go down. But I'm more curious to find the sells. Because I'm an intraday trader and I do try to find trades at least once a day, I also do look for retracements. So yeah, I think I'd be cool with getting a retracement, double bottom over here, then go up, or if not, maybe just a break above maybe this level over here, and then small retracement, and then go up before now looking for those sells. I hope this doesn't sound too complicated, but yeah, that's what I'll be looking for Monday. Just a small retracement, a small buy, because I do counter trends, but only when it's like fully formed on the 4-hour. So I'll also be waiting for a candle on the 4-hour time frame, and then I will be looking for those shorts. Now, if I'm just going to go back to the daily time frame again, these shorts, like, they look pretty promising because if I was a swing trader, I would probably be looking for a trade like this. If I was a swing trader, that is, maybe something like that, and even take it all the way to down here. That has been what I've been trying to look for, but because I don't trade like that, I think this looks pretty cool. So yeah, that's basically my forecast on the 1-hour time frame, and then maybe look for sells down there. Going over to the dollar now, just so that we can see what's been happening. So yeah, with the dollar time frame, weekly time frame, we can see that we're now pushing up, and I think that the dollar might continue up to all the way to this range. That is why I think the pound will continue going down. Then yeah, just looking again, we passed this previous swing point slightly. Yeah, maybe it might retrace. Hopefully it doesn't push up too much, but I'm hoping that it might retrace and then now continue pushing up. Just looking at it again from the 4-hour time frame, you can see almost had some red bearish candles from over here. So yeah, I'd hopefully, I'd want it to retrace and then now push up. I've just used this zone here, but maybe if I take my fib levels and see, oh, this is a 50%. Okay, so yeah, maybe I'd like to the dollar to retrace up to that level before going up. So that's my forecast. Maybe to the news very quickly. I am in East Africa, so this is EAT. We have news on Monday. We have news on Tuesday, 9 a.m., Wednesday, 9 a.m. and 7 p.m., Thursday, 3:30 USD. Friday, we have some GBP news. So yeah, we almost have news every day from next week. I don't really mind news because I'm a technical trader, but I just look out for them maybe for volatility and just to make sure that my stop loss is okay. So yes, that's my forecast. And yeah, please comment down below on what you think might happen. This is my projection, of course, not a trading signal, but I'd also be happy to hear what you think, because now I'm starting to be hopeful, because last week was just a mess. But I was happy to at least see. I wasn't able to get really any trades. This was such good volatility, but I didn't have a retracement and to at least get a sell. But this was good. I was hoping that price would at least break this level and push up, but it was nice because we had a double top and then we went down, and then we also had more sells on Friday. So yeah, hopefully this week and the coming weeks will be better. If you enjoyed this video, please comment on what you think. I'll also be happy to hear from you as well. Enjoy your evening, morning, or whatever time it is, and have a good day. Bye bye.